Hello, viewers, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, I haven't posted anything yet, so I'll be back again posting maybe weekly or fortnightly. And so, in this video, what I'm going to show you is how to update your installed packages in Windows using command line. So, either you can use a Microsoft Store to, update all the apps which are pre-installed in your Windows, or whenever you install DirectX or any such runtime packages, sometimes they also have an update available and we don't focus on them. So in order to get all those packages updated, go to command prompt and ensure when you open the command prompt it's under admin privileges, and then just type winget upgrade space hyphen all. Now, this command scans all the packages installed in your laptop and then checks for updates, and it will let you know what updates are available. So once you hit enter, it will take a while to scan the packages. Also ensure before you run this command, you have connected your laptop to a network. As you can see, once we run the command, irrespective of the error which we got, it has found Microsoft Visual C++ 2012 redistributable update. So it has downloaded the update and successfully installed it. Along with that, there are other 7 packages which have version numbers that cannot be determined. So if we want to force an update, we can just add include unknown to see the results and update those remaining packages. But I won't recommend doing that, as it might corrupt your system files or even disrupt your system if it's running fine. So it's always preferred to update the packages which are verified by Microsoft or the distributor, and then only update it instead of using an unknown source. So thank you for watching this video. It was just a quick tutorial on how to update your packages. Stay tuned for more videos, and if you guys are facing any issues regarding your laptops, desktops, or even your modems, just comment below and I'm happy to create a video or just a walkthrough which can help you fix your issues.